I'm gonna give you guys 3 reasons why you should marry the home and date the rate. Interest rates are at an all-time high, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't be able to get into the house that you love. So here's the first reason why you should marry the home. 6 months ago, people were paying 20, 30K over asking. It was crazy. They were foregoing appraisals, waiving inspection contingencies. Well, now you don't have to do that because there's less buyers out there looking because interest rates are too high. So there's less competition, which means you can find the property that you love and that you want to move into. Which leads me to number 2. And you're probably saying to yourself, well, damn, Sam, interest rates are kind of high right now. I don't think it's a good time to be buying. Well, if the property or the house that you love is close to your job, is close to good schools, and it's close to that Jamba Juice and Panda Express that you like going to, or maybe even Starbucks, why not? And who cares what the interest rate is right now? The market will correct and it will change. So you get into the home. Of course, you want to be responsible. So you want to get with the loan officer who will check your debt to income ratio, and they will make sure that you can afford the payments. Because really all it is that you want to make sure you can afford the payments. Once you get into the property, just understand this market is in cycles. It's going to correct. And when it does, you'll be able to refinance and refinance with a lower rate, and that way it'll lower your payments. Now, the third reason is the most important reason. Now, if you're renting for business, this doesn't apply to you. But if you're a renter right now, you've seen your rents go up 30, 40%, which is insane, especially in markets like South Florida. And what's happening is you're spending all this money on rent, but you're not building any equity. You don't own the property. You're not a homeowner. You don't have ownership. So it's important to be a homeowner because you won't have to spend money on rent and you won't have to see these increases year over year. Not only that, but once you become a homeowner, now you have an asset that you can tap into. You'll build equity, and most importantly, you're providing generational wealth for yourself and for your family.